Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to today's tutorial in which we are going to draw a girl on a swing. Today we will break it down step by step. Start with the swing. Draw two curved lines for the swing ropes, then add a vertical lines for the seat. Sketch the girl's body. Begin with a simple oval for her head and then draw her torso and limbs. Use light lines to position her arms and legs. Add details. Now refine her features. Draw her eyes, nose, and mouth. Add hair that flows with the swing's movement. Sketch her outfit, keeping it simple. Consider out adding a dress or shorts depending on your preference. Finalize the swing. Add details to the swing seat and rope. You can also add some decorative elements like flower or pattern. For a complete scene, consider drawing trees or clouds in the background. Once you are happy with your sketch, go over your lines with a pen. Erase any unnecessary pencil marker. Finally, use your favorite colors to bring your drawing to life. And there you have it, a simple and fun drawing of a girl on a swing. Keep practicing and let your creativity shine. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video.